Hey, I am going to show you kind of a comparison of these two leaf blowers that I got from Amazon, just to give you an idea of two that are kind of in the same category as far as like price range, and then give you an idea of what you're getting out of both of them. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the length. This one comes with two different kind of length extensions plus a third piece on the end. And then there's a couple of other pieces that it comes with too that you can exchange for the end piece, and I'll show you those in a minute. This one is a little bit shorter, but still a pretty decent length. It would, gosh, I guess the thing is from the handle point, they end up in almost the same distance from my body. This one is still a little bit longer, but a lot of the power on this one sits back further, if that makes sense, whereas the power on this one sits in front of where the handle is. So that's a little bit different. But really the distance between you and the ground when you're pointing it isn't going to be all that different, but this one is a little bit longer. This one is slightly heavier, and this one is a little bit lighter. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I don't have the battery on the back of this. So let's pop that on so I can see the weight. Because the battery is where a lot of the weight comes. They both come with two batteries. Neither one requires a battery-like dock. They both have charging ports that plug directly into the battery itself, which I like because I don't have a lot of space to have things like a charging dock, right? So this one here is going to have a trigger right here under the finger where you just press to turn it on, right? And then it's got 6 different speeds right here. So from 1 to 6, and you kind of just roll those with your thumb. This one also has a rolling speed thing, but this one's on top, and that's what turns it on, right? So you don't have a trigger on this one. It's just going to be on, right? So we'll turn that on. And so that was on the level 1 on this one. Let's put this one on level 1. I would say this one kind of makes more of a high-pitched noise. I didn't feel a lot of difference in pressure from the level 1. And then let's see what else. Let me show you the accessories, right? They both come with 2 batteries, and that's pretty much all you're getting with this one, right? You're going to have the 2 batteries, you're going to have the charger, definitely have everything you need to get everything done, right? If you're blowing leaves. With this one, you get a lot more accessories, right? So it's going to come with the same battery and charger. It's going to come with a pair of gloves, some safety goggles, and then it also has these 2 different ends that you can swap out. So this one is just a little bit more narrow, almost kind of reminds me of a hairdryer, right? Like a hairdryer extension. And I could see how that would be good getting in like certain crevice areas. And then it forces that air into a smaller space, which could make that a little bit more powerful when you're needing it for crevice areas. This one, I should have looked into this before I started the video, but it looks like something you could use almost like a pump for like an air mattress or something like that. It's got this small nozzle right here, and then this part also comes off on the top. Anyhow, I think they both seem to be able to get the job done. I think I personally like the trigger on this one, but this one seems to do the job as well. They are about the same weight based on what I'm feeling here. And then, yeah, I think that's about it. I mean, they're shaped a little bit differently, but they're both going to get the job done of blowing leaves. It just kind of depends on what you need and what you're looking for. So anyway, I really hope this was helpful for you in making a purchase decision, right? Have a great day.